Hello children, a very good morning to you all. All good? Yes, put a thumb up like this. Yes, teacher. Okay, ready for today's lesson? Very interesting lesson we'll do today. Okay? So what are we going to do today? We are going to learn a new concept from your maths big book, that is numbers book. Okay? Now let us see what is the new topic. Okay children, we are going to learn square today. It is a type of a shape, square. We have already learned circle. Today we will learn square. Okay? Now, teacher is going to recite a rhyme, children, so that we can understand what a square is. Okay? Ready for the rhyme? Okay. Sit straight, fold your hands and listen attentively. Ready? This shape has four same sides, four same sides, four same sides. This shape has four same sides. It has four corners too. This shape is called a square, called a square, called a square. This shape is called a square. I just want to tell you. Very good. So what did we understand, children? The square shape has four sides, four same sides, and it has four corners. Okay? Now, to understand many objects which are square in shape, teacher has brought a story for you. A nice creative story. Okay? We will understand the different objects which are square in shape through a story. Isn't that interesting? Yes? Okay. Ready for the story? Okay. Let us see what it is. Now, one day, children, it was raining very heavily. So, you can't go out to play, isn't it? If it is raining, you will get wet and you may fall sick. So, Mama doesn't allow you to go out, isn't it? So, what do? You are indoors. You are sitting in your house, isn't it? And then what you do? You like to play all indoor games, isn't it? So, one day as it was raining, Sonu and Monu, they told their mama, we are not going to go out today. We are going to sit in the house and play all indoor games. Okay. So what did mama say? You all are going to play, but before that you will finish all your activities which teacher has given to you. Okay. So Sonu and Monu agreed. So what Sonu and Monu did? They took their craft paper, that is origami paper, square in shape, and they did lot of paper folding activities like fox and crow. You remember the story? The fox and the crow? Yes? So they did using the craft paper which is square in shape. So they finished their activities and now it was playtime. So what did they play? Carom. The carom board square in shape, and chess. The chess board is also square in shape. Then they also played Ludo, square in shape. Red, blue, green, yellow colors, square in shape. You play Ludo with the dice, isn't it? Yes? Dice is also square in shape. Oh, indoor game square in shape. Then they also played with the magic cube. Have you tried doing it, children? Do you have one? Have you noticed? It is square in shape. And your building blocks all are square in shape. The number blocks, the alphabet blocks, square in shape. Okay, so they played many games. Then they felt hungry. So what did Monu's mummy prepare? Sandwiches. Now, you know, children, you have already prepared sandwich, isn't it? Yes, using bread. Now, bread is what? Square in shape, correct? And biscuits, square in shape. So, Monu's mother gave them some sandwiches and biscuits to eat. And also barfi, sweets, and juice to drink with ice cubes in it. And after they had all the snacks, what did they do? They wiped their hands and their mouth using a handkerchief. Tell what it is? Square in shape. Correct. So we saw so many things. Indoor games are square in shape. So many eatables are square in shape. Yes? Okay. Then Sonu saw out of the window. It had stopped raining. So what did he tell? I have to go back home now. He looked at the wall clock. It was late. Then he also saw the photo frame. He remembered his mama and dada. And he wanted to go back to them. Yes? So, what did he say? I have to go back home. Let me go back home. So, Monu's mother, she gave him a gift. Small gift. In a square gift box. Can you see there? A gift box, square in shape. Okay. Sonu was very happy to receive the gift. He said, bye and thank you. Did you like the story, children? Yes, we saw so many things square in shape, isn't it? Window, photo frame, wall clock, and a gift box. All square in shape. Oh, very good. Wait. One more thing also. Square in shape. See? Teacher's earring. Yes? Square in shape. Isn't it? Okay. Very good. So what we are going to do today, children? We will do some pages in your maths workbook and then a very interesting activity for you all. Okay? So let's get ready. Okay, children, now we are going to do 2 pages from your maths workbook, that is Numbers book 1. Okay, page number 30 and 31. Now you can see here the topic square. Yes? Are you all ready with your book? Open page 30. Square. Write today's date here. Today's date here and CW. That is class work. Ready? Very good. Now let us read. Join all the broken squares. Tick the smallest square. Now here we can see we have a square here. It is a window and we can see broken lines here. So we are going to Join all the broken lines using a pencil. Start from the top here. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Gift box. Same here, hold your pencil firmly and draw a standing line, sleeping line, standing line and a sleeping line, and your square is done. Gift box. Next we have handkerchief. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line and a sleeping line. Do it neatly on the broken lines. Next we have here photograph. Slowly on the line and your photograph is ready. Next we have here dice. What is dice used for, children? You play snake and ladders and ludo, isn't it? Your dice is ready. And what they've asked us? Tick the smallest square. We can see here photograph is the smallest square. So we are going to tick here. Done, children? Okay, so your page 30 is done. Now moving on to page 31. Do ochre painting on all four sides of the square. Ochre is lady's finger, bhindi. Okay, we are going to use that and we are going to print on all the four sides of the square. So for this we will be needing green color and one bhindi. I have taken here green color and bhindi. We are going to just dip this in here like this and going to place it like this on all the four sides of the square along the boundary lines. So now you can see that we have done printing on all the four sides of the square. Now moving on to the next question. Color all the squares yellow. You can see here in this big box we have many different shapes, like we have circle, triangle and squares. So we are going to pick up only the squares and color them yellow. So now you can see we have colored all the squares yellow. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 squares. Very good, children. So we have done from 2 pages from your maths workbook. Page number 30 and 31. Children, I am going to teach you how to make a bookmark. I have taken a square piece of paper. And what is a bookmark? Bookmark is a thin marking tool made of paper used to keep track of a reader's progress in a book and allow the reader to easily return to where the previous reading session ended. Okay, so let's get started. Take a square piece of paper and take the top tip, fold it to the bottom tip. Now take this end, fold it here, this end, now again we have got a square. Open this. Now you can see the lines here. Now fold this one end back here. Now what you have to do is put this tip here inside this. Neatly, slowly. This tip again inside this. Like this. Now we are going to decorate it and I will show you how we are going to use it. Now children, can you see? We have colored it and it looks so beautiful and attractive. I'll show you how to use it now. If you have stopped reading here, you are going to put this here. Fit it like this. Close the book and again when you are going to read it again, you can directly open this page. Okay. Okay children, bye.